Hey, Top Realized Math and History, and we are going to take a look at mental addition. So, what happens is elementary educators often want their students to understand mental addition. Because what if there's no chalkboard or there's no paper and pen? Let's see what happens. So right over here is some kind of addition problem. Let's solve it. So, 6 plus 8 is 4. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus... Okay, that didn't really help us. Because what we were just doing is the standard algorithm for addition, but it sounds more like a procedural-based memorization of steps, which doesn't mean it's necessarily mental. So there are 3 ways we can mentally understand math. So for addition, we have 26 plus 38. What does that equal? So the first thing we're going to take a look at is adding from the left. So what we can do is change that entire addition equation or addition problem and then turn it into something else that seems the same. We have a 6 and an 8, and a 2 and a 3. So what we can do is say 20, because of the 20, plus 6, and then 30, because of the 3 in the 10th place, plus 8. So now we have 2 separate addition problems. So 6 plus 8 is 14, and 20 plus 30 is 50. So 50 plus 14 is 64. So this is called adding from the left because we try to reconfigure this equation here into an addition of 10s and an addition of 1s, and that's how we get our answer. So yeah, the next one we're going to take a look at is called breaking and bridging. So we have 26 plus 38 once again. So what we're going to do in this case scenario is say 26 plus what is going to give me to an even number, like 30. So 26 plus 4 equals 30. 30 plus 30, because that represents the 3 in the 10th place, is going to equal 60. And then 60 plus 4 is going to equal 64. So we know that it equals 64. But the reason why this strategy is really important is because we added one by one, step by step, that 4 right here plus 30 right here plus 4 equals, what does it equal? Yeah, 38. So that tells us that 38 is going to be in the middle. So the last one we're going to take a look at is called trading off, or some kind of trade-off. So right here, trade off. So we have 26 plus 38. So we have, 26 plus 38. What does that equal? So we have this equation here, but a trade-off is going to help us understand by changing the numbers, we can get to a similar math problem that gets us to the same answer. So if we add by 4 and subtract by 4, 26 plus 4 is 30, plus 38 minus 4 is 34. So it's 64. And that's going to be our answer. It's the same thing as saying 26 plus 30 is 64, which is also the same answer. So we have learned all about adding from the left, breaking and bridging, and trade-off. I hope this video has helped you understand mental addition. Thank you for watching Calculator Live's Math Industry. Like and subscribe.